Okay, in this lesson, I want to explain the color label that in a Premiere, any object has its own label color here. For better understanding, hold and click and tilt on an icon on a keyboard to maximize this window, and I will be I open all of the folders with a different file in them to see their colors. As you can see, there are different colors. The labels in any file, for example, a video, sequence, sound, still image, PNG, or sequence are there has their own color label to identify them. Here you can go to the edit menu, preferences, and then the labels. The preferences window will be open and you can access the color. As you can see, the label colors that are used in Premiere are those color, and we have a lots of color here. But the label default that the software categorized them are here. The movies that include the audio and the video is an iris color. You can change any color that you want, but in the default is an iris. Okay, the video that has contained audio and video. Iris is here. Iris is oil blue. Just the video that has no audio, the color is a violet. The violet is here. It's actually dark purple. Just audio is a Caribbean. The Caribbean is here, this color. The name are strange, but they're here. Caribbean, it's a dark green. A still image include PNG image, PSD, any file. Still image is lavender. Lavender is here. It's a light purple. The sequence or forest is the dark green. Or Adobe Dynamic Link is a rose link. Or bean is a mango. Mango is here. It's a dark yellow actually. And you can change their names if you want with understandable names. And that's it. It's okay. I open this image. I take a picture that preferences to compare them here. Okay. These are MP4 and it has an audio. As you can see, the icon of sound are here. It means you can make them bigger if you want. As you can see, it means the sound is included to the audio, to the video. And the color is iris. Okay, color is iris. The beans are the mango. Okay, and here is the image, the video that does not. I think yes, there's a wall, but no. Yes, they are velvet color. It means they have any sound on them. The clips, there are sound with them. The video, okay. There are still image, has an lavender. And here are audio. Just audio is a Caribbean. No, those are audio. Yes, Caribbean color is here. And it's a sequence. As you can see, it's a darker green. You can go into the edit and preferences and label. You can change all of the color that you want. But I explain the main category of the software. We have audio, we have video, the movie that has audio and video in it, or a still image like PNG, PSD. As you can see, we have both PNG and JPEG. They are the same color, and you can define your object with the color if you want. But important thing about the color is if you minimize that with the tilt, if you click and drag it and insert it in a timeline, you can keep existing. Oh, it's very. I explain the timeline. Don't worry. In a timeline, they insert as exactly the label color of them. Okay. For example, going down and insert this. As you can see, this is exactly the same color of the label. Or for example, I insert a still image. The exact, because it's the label are important because you are working on them always and you can see all the colors. And it is interesting, the Adobe select the dark color for your eyes, because if you use a very saturated color in the timeline, your eye will be blow up. Okay, and you can insert an audio. As you can see, the all color is nice in great dark color. Okay, you can insert, as you can see, the, for example, the sequence. I bring it later, but the important part of the color labels are that you're showing in a timeline. It's important to know the labels. Okay, that's it.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.